In this video, I'll show you how to enable dark mode in Claude AI in just a few quick steps. It's very simple and only takes a few seconds. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account. From the Claude dashboard, I'll move my cursor to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on my profile icon or name. A small menu will appear with several options. From this menu, I'll click Settings to open the Account Settings panel. Once the Settings window opens, I'll scroll until I find the Appearance section. Under Appearance, I'll see the color mode options. Claude currently provides 3 choices: light, auto, and dark. If I want to enable dark mode, I'll simply click the dark option. As soon as I select it, the interface will immediately switch to the dark theme. The auto option allows Claude to follow my system or device theme automatically. But for this tutorial, I'm selecting dark so the interface always stays in dark mode. And that's it. Dark mode is now successfully enabled in Claude AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel for more quick AI tutorials and guides.